The Sejong Cultural Society promotes awareness and appreciation of Korea's cultural heritage in the United States, focusing on younger generation through creative and fine arts. By bridging Korean traditions with Western culture, it aims to make Korea's rich history accessible to people of all backgrounds. Sejong Cultural Society is a non-profit organization incorporated in Illinois in 2004. One of our signature programs is the Sejong Music Competition, held annually since 2004. This event aims to introduce the elements of traditional Korean music to a new generation. This competition is open to pre-college students residing in the U.S. and features piano and violin categories. Participants are required to perform music that incorporates traditional Korean musical themes along with their chosen repertoire. Annually, about 100 to 200 students participate in our competition. Another cornerstone program is the Sejong Writing Competition, held annually since 2006. This competition promotes appreciation for Korean literature and encourages participants to compose Sijo, a traditional Korean poetry form. Participants also submit essays on short fiction by Korean authors or Korean folktales, all written in English. Open to residents of the US and Canada, the competition has grown rapidly with 1,200 to 1,900 submissions annually across 2 categories. To meet the substantial demand for the Sijo competition from poets worldwide, the Sejong International Sijo Competition was launched in 2021. In its inaugural year, participants ranged in age from 12 to 85 and represented 19 countries. Since then, the competition has attracted over 350 poets annually from 29 countries across 6 continents. The Sejong Prize for Music Composition inspires composers to create works that reflect traditional Korean themes for Western musical instruments. Through performances and competitions, we aim to share the richness of Korean music with composers, performers, and audiences worldwide. For previous competitions, we invited composers from all backgrounds to submit original works blending traditional Korean themes with Western instruments suitable for young performers. As an extension of our writing competition's Sijo category, the Sejong Cultural Society offers educational programs for English teachers and poets. Through seminars, workshops, and resources, we help teachers introduce Sijo in their classrooms. We hope students in the US and Canada can experience Sijo alongside other poetry forms as they explore new ideas. After reaching out to pre-college educators whose students participated in the Sejong Writing Competition, we gathered valuable feedback to better support their teaching efforts. In response, we are developing and expanding resources to assist teachers interested in introducing Sijo or Korean literature to their classrooms. Numerous resource materials are now available on our website and YouTube channel. Additionally, we published a reference book titled Sijo, Korea's Poetry Form, which received the prestigious Franklin Buchanan Prize from the Association for Asian Studies in 2023. We also collaborated with the editors of Polaris Trilogy on anthology of poems sent to the moon in a time capsule. The anthology includes works by 11 Korean and American Sijo poets and was delivered to the lunar surface aboard a lunar lander in January 2025. Our commitment to promoting Sijo continues through a variety of initiatives, including lectures, workshops at local and national meetings, and online courses. These efforts are designed to engage educators and the public, fostering both an appreciation for and the skills needed to write Sijo. The Sejong Cultural Society continues to foster cross-cultural connections through diverse programs. By promoting traditional Korean arts through contemporary expressions and Western media, the Society ensures that Korea's rich heritage remains accessible and meaningful for future generations. Through education, competitions, and performances, the Sejong Cultural Society is committed to cultivating deeper understanding and appreciation of Korean culture on a global scale.